Hello everyone, I am going to be showing you how to do a dipping ombre. The first thing that we need to do is apply bonder. This is number one. All you need to do is just apply them around the cuticle area and the entire natural nail bed only. The next step that you want to do is apply base. Okay, because this is a tip, as you could see between the natural nail and the tip. So what you want to do is apply a very thin layer, okay, of the base right along that line with 45-degree angle. Do that to all 5 nails. Come back and take the brush and clean out the excess powder that will stick to the nails. The second coat that you're going to do, apply base about 80% of the nail. Okay, but you want it to brush it even. Okay, you don't want to overdo. Okay, 45-degree angle, put down and out, shake. Okay, do that to all 5 nails. Let the glue soak into the powder. After you finish with all 5 nails, go ahead and come back, take the brush, clean out the excess powder. Second coat, okay, you want to go up to about 98% of the nail bed, but not to the cuticle. 98%. Okay, make sure that you apply it very evenly. Cover all the area so it can get even. Okay, same 45-degree in, out, shake. Okay, do that to all 5 nails, and when you finish, you come back, brush off the excess powder. Now the next step, base again all the way close to the cuticle, but don't touch that cuticle. To get close to it, make sure all your angle is covered. Okay, now with this, you angle this, focus on the very tip of the powder. Start it out, focus just about the tips of the powder. Just sprinkle it down, just easy, mainly focus the tips. Okay, because this is a little bit of longer finger, so you wanna try to cover some area. Okay, the next thing you want to do, come back, take this and scoop and then sprinkle on top where the natural nail is. Okay, shake. Okay, do that to all 5 nails, and then come in and start cleaning up the excess powder. Okay, now that you have an ombre nail, in order to protect that ombre, you need to apply one more coat of base. Okay, make sure you cover everywhere and then dip them into clear powder. Okay, shake, and then come back and take the brush, clean. Now it's time for activator number 3. In order for the glue to dry, you need number 3 to make sure to apply them so they can dry. You want to apply them all around the whole entire nail evenly. Okay, gonna sprinkle them a few times. Make sure you have enough of the activator so the activator will work to dry the entire nails. It takes about 2 minutes to 3 minutes for the activator to work and dry. At this point, what you want to do, what you can do is still soft, so you could be able to play and pinch the powder, pinch in the side. Okay, pinch to narrow in the fingernails. Okay, you can pinch if you want to, if you prefer to. If it's not, you don't have to. Okay, but some people would like it better when you do that. It makes their nails slender. Okay, now you just push that skin out on the back, push that out. Okay, file, very easy. Okay, same thing with the other side. Okay, tilt your client nail like this and then lay it flat. Okay, you go out from here. Same thing on this side, you go out from here. Okay, so make sure both sides are coming out nice and straight, and the tip. Now what you want to do first, kind of push that cuticle out first. Here, push that out, push that out, so when you file, you don't file into your client cuticle. Okay, very easy, slowly. Okay. This area right here is very important. Just very lightly. Okay, don't overfile it because it's so thin. If you file too much, you will file your ombre away. Okay. Just this area right here that you want to do right here. Now take the buffer, okay, buff down, okay. One direction, buff down. Your side, and the very tip. Okay, now what you want to do, turn your client hand upside down. Okay, check for evenness. Okay, if it's not, you could go here, take your finger underneath, file them from your side, the other way, same thing, file from your side. Okay, and then from the tip. Okay, make sure that you hold it tight so it doesn't rock back and forth. Okay, here we go. Now you're pretty much done. Instead of sending your client to go wash her hand, go ahead and apply a little bit of alcohol on this and then just clean them out. Now that y'all wipe and clean, you need to go back and apply activator one more time. Okay, make sure you apply them all nice and even. Okay, after that, the next step is going to be number 4. Number 4 is pretty important. A lot of nail tech that always mess up number 4, the brush. Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful when you apply number 4. What you want to do after you apply the activator, you wait for about a minute or 2 to let the activator work into her nail. So before you want to apply, okay, what you want is very quick, 1 coat only. Okay, apply 1, 2, this, clean your brush and put that back. Okay, do that to all 10 nails. After you finish all 10 nails, wait for another minute before you apply the second coat of your top. The reason is sometimes you apply them too quickly. Activator works so fast, they dull out your top. It doesn't stay shiny. So that's why I say wait for about a minute before you want to apply the second coat. The second coat you can be able to apply nice and even, but this time you can be able to apply them over and over a few times. Make sure you cover all your side. Clean out your brush before you put that back into that. Okay, don't close too tight, and then you leave them like here. And this is how the nail look when it finished. They will stay dry and shiny like this. Okay, as you can see, your side wall and your top. This is your one-step ombre.